quick one today. Quick one. 35 plus tax. I think that's a little high for what they're going for. 2 boxes of the packs of the striking signatures. These are quick. This is like a hit it and quit it type thing. You open the box and your one card is right there. It's an encased autograph, but they got some weak names in this. So here we go. We're just gonna, like, I guess, pop this open. And there it is. Slow Mike Rodriguez. Numbered. These things are numbered so weird. 232 of 321. This guy got pretty robbed against Ed Herman in his last fight. He knocked him. He basically TKO'd him with a body shot, but the ref thought it was a nut shot in his first or second round. And then Ed Herman hit him with a Kimura in the 3rd round. Kind of unlucky. All right, the second one is, see if we can do like a slower reveal. Ooh, it's orange. That's good. Is this the chick that wears the cowboy hat? I think it is. 43 of 50. Andrea Lee. There it is. Quick and easy. 2 minute. Call me the Minuteman.